Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best ASIC regulated forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC, is an independent commission tasked as the national corporate regulator of the Australian government. The ASIC regulates company and financial services in order to protect Australian consumers, investors, and creditors. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission offers one of the highest levels of regulatory oversight available globally. Traders should always consider starting their trading journey with a fully regulated, reputable, safe, and trustworthy broker. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best ASIC regulated forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. At number 4 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. Coming in at number 3 is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard, VIP, and Premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single-stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best ASIC regulated forex brokers, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own Educational Resource Center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best ASIC regulated forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.